invite Rajiv Agarwal, the CMD of Wealth and Discovery Group, to join the Honorable Minister on the stage. Big round of applause, please. And Swati, what's our next category?
Well, our 8th category tonight, Meghna, is education and skill development, which recognizes those who have expanded educational access in underserved areas and boosted vocational skills, empowering communities to build better futures.
So let's take a look at all the nominees in this category.
In the category of education and skill development, the nominees are Shibani Ghosh. A visionary from Bhopal, Shibani Ghosh's Parvarish, the museum school has transformed museums into vibrant classrooms. Her innovative approach has benefited over 450 children from underprivileged backgrounds, with 85% improving their reading skills and grades, leading to a life of dignity and hope. Dinesh Badagandi. An engineering and management graduate, Dinesh Badagandi has transformed STEM education through his initiative Tare Zameen Par. Providing hands-on, experiment-led learning, he has empowered over 1 million rural students in 11,500 schools, bridging the learning gap and inspiring a brighter future. Dr. Shiv Balak Mishra. Dr. Shiv Balak Mishra's unwavering commitment to rural education began in Uttar Pradesh through Bharatiya Grameen Vidyalaya. His initiative now spans over 30 villages, enabling thousands of children to access quality education and achieving a 100% board exam pass rate.
And the award, the Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2025 in this category goes to Dr. Shiv Balak Mishra. Please put your hands together for our winner.
Big round of applause, please. In 1972, despite a promising global scientific career, Dr. Mishra returned to rural India, inspired by his own struggles as a child who walked 12 kilometers barefoot to attend school. He took things in his own hands to improve India.
And alongside his wife, he founded Bharatiya Grameen Vidyalaya in Konora village, transforming it into a hub for education, empowerment and community development. For over 5 decades, he has enabled thousands of marginalized children and women to access education and livelihoods, embodying Gandhian ideals.
Big round of applause for our winner, Dr. Mishra, for education and skill development, the initiative that he has shown. Thank you so much, Dr. Shiv Balak Mishra ji, for gracing Amazing Indians. Well, his has been truly an inspirational journey, isn't it, Swati? It's good to see Indians like this deciding to make the change by themselves. And of course, a big round of applause for his wife as well, not just his life partner, but has always been part of all his endeavors as well. Thank you so much, sir.
Absolutely, Meghna. In fact, in the AV, we saw Mr. Prasoon Joshi say that it's not that we are awarding the individuals, but the awards are being honored by being bestowed upon them.
Absolutely, beautifully said. Now, as one of world's fastest growing economies, India is also on the front line of climate change, facing threats to agriculture, water resources, as well as well-being of millions of people.
The Environment and Sustainability Award honors individuals and organizations tackling these challenges through innovative approaches, from pollution reduction to climate resilience and eco-friendly practices. Let's meet the nominees.
In the category of Environment and Sustainability, the nominees are Deepak Vishwakarma. Driven by compassion, Deepak Vishwakarma founded Making a Difference. His work in 3 states of India has led to the plantation of over 60,000 saplings, showing how single-minded purpose can benefit over 20,000 people and inspire others to join the change. Prasanta Sarkar. Hailing from the Sundarbans, Prasanta Sarkar's leadership has transformed a small effort into a people-driven movement. By planting 150,000 mangrove saplings and empowering over 300 women, he has fostered climate resilience and social unity. Srinivasulu MR. Srinivasulu MR has transformed over 50,000 used pen refills into 12 miniature world-famous monuments in the last 18 years. He has dedicated over 10,000 hours to this mission, turning waste into a powerful tool for sustainability and education.
And the Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2025 in this category goes to Mr. Deepak Vishwakarma. Please put your hands together for our winner.
Well, leaving a corporate career to dedicate himself fully to social service, Deepak has founded Making the Difference, MTD, to build scalable, sustainable solutions for underprivileged communities. Big round of applause for his achievements.
Well, his initiatives include Project Shunya for urban greening using the Miyawaki method, waste segregation drives, Project Lajja to advance menstrual hygiene, and digital literacy programs for underserved schools. By forging partnerships with governments, corporates, and citizens, he's turned small steps into powerful movements for change. Many congratulations to you, sir. Also, I'd like to thank Rajiv Agarwalji for felicitating our winners.
And we'd also like to request to join us on stage Prasun Joshiji, the CEO and CCO of McCain, World Group India, and chairperson of APAC, poet, a lyricist, and a screenwriter, as we all know. Big round of applause, please. Well, the true strength of a nation really lies in empowerment, in dignity, in the well-being of its women and girl child.
Absolutely. While India has made significant progress towards gender equality, challenges such as cultural barriers, economic constraints, and systemic biases still hinder the full participation of women and girls in every field.
Absolutely. They face economic constraint, there are systemic biases, but what has been done to ensure their lives, the quality of the lives improve? In fact, our nominees in this category have gone beyond advocacy. They have acted. They have created tangible change in promoting gender equality, protecting women from violence, and opening doors to education as well as economic opportunities.
So let's meet the inspiring change makers. May we have the nominees, please?
In the category of girl, child, and women's right empowerment, the nominees are Jyoti Agarwal. Inspired by her transformative motherhood journey, Jyoti founded Ma to Mom, a purpose-driven community for women to rediscover their identities. Through a series of 1,000 events across 2 countries, she has created a vibrant space for countless mothers to connect, grow, and heal together. Madhuri Avinash Moide. As a teacher in Indore, Madhuri Avinash Moide founded Vijay Social Welfare Society. Her work has empowered over 800 women and reintegrated more than 250 children into formal schooling, bringing hope and second chances to the lives of more than 25,000 people. Meera Satpathy. A true visionary, Meera Satpathy left business to found Sukarya, which has transformed over 70 lakh lives. Her dedication to women and children has brought health, education, and hope to communities across 34 slums and 60 villages.
And the Times Now Amazing Indian Awards 2025 in this category. Big round of applause for Meera Satpathy ji.
In 1998, a successful businesswoman, Meera Satpathy was deeply moved by the struggles of mothers, children and adolescent girls living in Delhi slums. Deprived of basic healthcare and education, choosing social impact over corporate success, she founded Sukanya to reduce infant mortality, improve maternal health and promote gender equality.
Her belief that empowering women and girls is going to be key to breaking the cycles of poverty and injustice, which has driven decades of impactful work in health, in education, as well as community development. Many, many congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you and congratulations, Meera Satpathy ji.
We'd also like to thank our Rajiv Agarwal ji, the CMD of Wealth and Discovery Group.